Hello and welcome to Zombie Run course where I will teach you how to build iOS maze game you can confidently post to the App Store and profit from its sale. How can I tell? Well, this game is already on App Store as a proof for you that it is actually viable and meets Apple's notoriously high quality requirements. My name is Jan and I will be your instructor. I began my career as a web developer, but in 2008, when iPhone SDK was introduced, I transitioned to iOS development. I designed this course for anyone seeking to create their own iOS game from scratch. By the end of this course, you will have a solid knowledge of Xcode and Swift, Apple's new programming language. You will be able to create your very own levels and write your very own code in Swift language. I will show you step by step how to prepare the game so it can be published to the App Store. The ideal student for this course is anyone with enthusiasm for new knowledge. I don't expect you to have any prior knowledge, as I will show you everything step by step from blank sheet to final game. Feel free to take a look through course description and I look forward to seeing you inside. Thank you very much.